Salam alaikum. Craving for soup? Come and join me. Let's do tom yum. First, we boiled water. And then we throw in our mushroom. Then our lemongrass. Chili pepper. Keep it boiling and throw in some shrimp fat. Now fish sauce in. Now we add our shrimps. Lemon juice. Some spring onions, and lastly our fresh coriander. Now let's do our plating, guys. It's ready. Our tom yum soup, guys. Try it at home. Best when serving, you add some more fresh coriander. It's so delicious, guys. I'm sure you will going to like it. So delicious. Enjoy.